Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Okta for Workforce Single Sign-On, a detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Okta website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page and click on it. You will be redirected to a page with various registration options. Select the option that applies to your organization or team. If you are joining an existing team, enter the company email address associated with your account. If you are setting up a new account, choose the appropriate registration form. Fill out the required fields in the registration form, including your name and password. Ensure that your password meets all the security requirements outlined on the page. Once you have completed the form, review your information for accuracy. Click the Register button to submit your application. You may receive a confirmation email from Okta. Open your email and locate the confirmation message. Click the link provided in the email to verify your account. This will take you back to the Okta website to complete your registration. Follow any additional prompts to finalize your account setup. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. You will be directed to the Okta dashboard. From here, you can add applications for single sign-on. To add an application, click on the Add Application button. Browse or search for the specific application you want to include. Follow the instructions to connect the application to your Okta account. Once set up, test the single sign-on functionality to ensure it works properly. You are now registered with Okta for Workforce Single Sign-On. Congratulations on completing the registration process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.